Greetings, Bear Creek students and teachers. My name is Sam Bernardi, and I am a Mosaic artist. I'll be coming to your school on October 22nd for 2 weeks to help you create 2 Mosaic murals. The murals will be approximately 4 feet by 8 feet in size, and they will hang on the wall in the hallway near the office. For those of you that don't know what a mosaic mural is, let's take a look at a picture of one. You'll notice that the image you're seeing is made up of little squares of color. Let's take a closer look. Those little squares of color you're seeing are actually made from small squares of ceramic tile. And that's how we're going to make the mosaic murals at Bear Creek Elementary. As I said before, I'll be at your school for 2 weeks, working with you in small groups to create 2 mosaic murals similar to the one we just looked at in the picture. Now I'm going to show you a few slides of mosaic murals that I've done with students at other schools, so you can get some ideas of what your mural might look like. I bet you're wondering what Bear Creek's mural is going to look like. Well, we don't quite know for sure yet, and that's where you come in. You might have noticed that the murals in the slideshow contained images of all kinds of different things like animals and birds and people, buildings, all sorts of things that you find in your environment. It's the things in your particular environment that make Bear Creek Elementary or Bend, Oregon a unique and special place. So what I would like you to do is create some artwork with some of those images in them, the things that you see around you in your school and in your community. I suggest you have a brainstorming session with your teacher to create a list of things for you to draw so everyone doesn't end up drawing the same thing. Here are a few suggestions to get you started. Eagles, hawks, and other birds, bear, deer and elk, farm animals, horses and cows, goats and sheep, farm scenes, mountains, forests, towns, historic buildings, historic events, your school, your playground, people, adults and kids, and your pets. Those are just a few ideas. I'm sure you'll be able to come up with all kinds of ideas. One thing to keep in mind when you're drawing your people, that we all live in diverse communities, and that means that there are a lot of people of different colors and different cultures, different religions, different backgrounds. So be sure and include everyone that lives in your community when you draw people. And think about the kinds of things that people do together. They might have a picnic in the park, or they might be playing in a playground, taking a walk, walking their dog. There's all kinds of activities that people do in their communities and with each other. Just remember to draw things that are in your local community or your local environment. Well, that about sums it up. I wish I could have been there in person, but I live clear over here in Amity, and you guys are all the way over there in Bend. And so we're doing this via YouTube, which is kind of cool. I like the idea myself. And I hope this video has helped you guys out in creating some artwork that I can use to help design the murals that we'll be putting up here at Bear Creek Elementary. So thanks for watching. I'll look forward to working with you into October. Bye-bye.